The next device to replace your smartphone might not have a screen at all. That sounds almost impossible. We use our phones for everything: messages, maps, payments, photos, entertainment, work, and even finding answers to the smallest questions. But think about what happens every time you need something. You pull your phone out, unlock it, find an app, tap the screen, look down. What if all of that disappeared? Not the technology itself, just the screen. Because companies are now working toward a different idea. Instead of carrying a computer in your pocket, what if the computer could become something you simply wear? Imagine walking through a new city wearing smart glasses. You need directions. Instead of opening a map, you ask. You see something you don't recognize. Instead of taking out your phone and searching for it, a camera connected to AI could help identify it. Someone speaks another language. AI could potentially help translate the conversation without forcing you to stare at a screen. This is where the real change begins. The most interesting part isn't the glasses. It's the way we interact with technology. For decades, computers have made us learn their systems. We open menus, choose apps, type searches, and tap buttons. AI is moving towards something much simpler. You tell the technology what you want, and it figures out what needs to happen next. And companies are already exploring this idea. Meta's smart glasses combine cameras, microphones, speakers, and AI features into something that looks much more like ordinary glasses than a traditional computer. Google is also working on AI and wearable technology. But making the technology work is only half the challenge. The bigger question is whether people will trust it. A camera on your face is different from a camera inside your pocket. What happens when you're talking to someone and they don't know whether you're recording? What happens when an AI device can recognize what you're looking at, hear conversations around you, and constantly connect to the internet? Privacy could become one of the biggest battles in the race to replace the smartphone. And there is another problem. The smartphone isn't going away just because a new device appears. It has become deeply connected to our daily lives. So the next era may not begin with one giant moment where everyone throws their phones away. It could happen much more quietly. Your phone stays in your pocket. Your glasses handle directions. Your earbuds handle conversations. AI answers questions. And gradually, you reach for your phone less and less. That's the real threat to the smartphone. Not a better phone. A world where you simply don't need to use one as often. So could AI wearables actually replace smartphones? Maybe not overnight. But if technology becomes powerful enough to understand what we say, see what we see, and act on our behalf, the smartphone's biggest advantage, being our gateway to the digital world, may no longer belong to the smartphone. And that's the strange possibility. The device that dominated our lives for more than a decade might not be replaced by another phone. It could be replaced by technology we barely notice we're wearing. Would you actually give up your smartphone if AI could handle most of what you use it for today? Let me know what you think. And subscribe to Ledger Logic for more stories about the technology changing what comes next.